Many say they know of this practice or that practice. They say, "Come with me to meditate here or there, and you will feel at peace." But when you leave this or that practice, this or that place, again, the peace dissolves and the agitated mind returns. You are once again unhappy. Such bliss is not real because it is not permanent. It depends on something. The real is permanent. Such a peace is filled with unhappiness, which is felt in another place at another time. Therefore, you cannot find bliss in places or periods. It must be permanent in order that it may be useful and real. It is our being which is permanent. Be the self, and that is bliss. You are always that. The self is always realized. It is not needed to seek that which is already and always realized. For you cannot deny your own existence. That existence is consciousness, the self. Unless you exist, you cannot ask questions. Then you must admit your own existence. That existence is the self. It is already realized. Thus, the effort to realize yourself results only in you realizing your present mistake, that you are not realized. There is no self-realization. The self becomes revealed. The idea of time and the idea that it will take years to realize the self is only in the mind. It is not in the self. There is no time in self. Time arises as an idea after the ego arises. But you are the self beyond time and space. You exist even in the absence of time and space. If you become realized later, this only means you are not realized now. Absence of realization now may be repeated at any time in the future, for time is infinite. It is wrong to consider realization to be impermanent. It is the true eternal state which cannot change. You are already that. Time and space cannot affect the self. They are in you. So also, all that you see around you is in you. There is a story to explain this point. There was a person who had a valuable necklace around their neck. Once, in confusion, they forgot it and thought it had been lost. Frantically, they searched for the necklace and asked many friends. No one knew where to look, until one person said, "Feel around your neck. Is that not the necklace you seek?" The other felt and saw the necklace, and then became relieved and joyful that they had found the necklace. When others later asked, "Did you find your lost necklace?" they replied, "Yes, I found it. The person still felt as if they had recovered a lost article of value, but in reality, nothing was ever lost. But judge the feelings. They were still happy, as if the necklace was really lost. We are like that. We imagine that we will become realized sometime, but we are nothing other than the self. To think there is a goal and a way to this goal is wrong. We are the goal. We are the peace, always. To get rid of the idea that we are not peace is all that is required. Any guru will say the same. They will not give you anything that you do not already have. It is impossible for someone to get what they already have. Even if they do get such a thing, it will go just as quickly. What always is will alone remain. Removal of the idea that you are not realized is all that is required. We are always the self, only we do not realize it. We go around and around in search of the self, saying, "Where is the self?" Until finally, after some effort, we come to see and simply realize, "Ah, this is the self." How perfect, how obvious, how subtle, how simple. When the vision is reached, there will be no attachments. There will be no personal independent sense of I. When one puts on shoes, one's feet do not feel the pain of sticks and stones on the path. One walks with no fear. In this way, everything will be natural to one who comes to know the self. If the mind subsides, the whole world subsides. Mind is the cause of all this. If it subsides, the natural state presents itself. The self proclaims itself at all times as I. It is self-luminous. It is here. All this is that. We are in that only. Being in it. Why search for it? When the mind absorbs into the self, the world is seen as God. As the Bible says, I am that I am.